A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to e-learning classes of Sacred Hearts of the subject Business Studies. Dear students, in the previous lecture, we have started the concept of cooperative organizations or cooperative society. In this, we have discussed about the meaning of cooperative organization. It is a type of organization which is voluntary in nature and is concluded or created by the members having the mutual interest by the minimum 10 members, and the registration of these type of organizations or the society is compulsory in nature. After that, we have discussed about the definition of cooperative organization by the Indian Cooperative Societies Act 1912. Thereafter, we have started the topic of features of cooperative society, in which we have discussed the different features such as voluntary association, that means any of the particular person who is having the common interest can join the cooperative society, and whenever is willing by giving a notice can be exit from the society. Thereafter, we have discussed about the legal status, that it is very compulsory for the cooperative society to get itself registered, and as soon as registration is done, cooperative society used to have the separate legal entity. Thereafter, we have discussed about the limited liability. The liability of the members is limited to the extent of capital they have contributed in the cooperative society. Thereafter, we have discussed about the fourth feature, that is control. So, in the cooperative organization or the society, all the decisions are taken by the managing committee, and this managing committee is elected through the voting of the members. Next one is the service motive. The main motive of the cooperative organization is to provide services to its members and not to earn profit. Profit is the secondary objective only. In the last feature that we have discussed, that is the equal voting right. Cooperative organizations used to work on the democratic principle of one man, one vote. The capital contribution is not affecting any voting ratio or the right. Dear student, this was all about the yesterday's lecture. Today we are going to discuss about the merits and demerits of cooperative organizations. So let's get started. The very first merit is the equality in voting right. In the feature also we have discussed that all the members who belongs to a cooperative society used to get the voting right on the democratic principle, that means one person one vote. Capital contributed by the members is not affecting the voting right. Thereafter, we have discussed about the limited liability. The liability of the members remain limited to the extent of capital contributed by them, and at the time of losses, the creditors cannot claim the personal property of the members due to the limited liability clause. Thereafter, stable existence. It has been told that the any condition of death, insolvency or incapacity of any of the member does not affect the existence of the society. The cooperative society in itself is a registered element having the separate legal entity, so its life is stable and continuous. The next one is the economical functioning. All the working of or the operations of cooperative society is being executed by its members only, and they can purchase, when they purchase the raw material, when they purchase the goods, they used to eliminate the middleman. So as a result, the working of the cooperative society seems to be very economical, less amount of expenses, and getting the goods or the raw material at the economical cost. Next one, that is the support from government. Now the cooperative societies used to get the different benefits from the government used to give the different benefits such as the tax, such as the concession in tax, for example giving the subsidies, rebates in tax. So these support from the government motivate the people to create the cooperative organizations, and even they used to get the raw material and other required stuff at the subsidized rates. The next one, that is easy to form. If we talk about the cooperative society, then the procedure for creation of the cooperative society is very easy, although registration is compulsory, but even the registration is having not so much legal formalities. So all these are the merits. Now the demerits. The very first demerit is the limited capital. As the cooperative society used to work on the principle of one man, one vote, so it used to discourage the people to contribute more amount of capital, because even after contributing the more amount of capital, the members are not getting any extra reward for that, and as a result, there is always shortage of capital or the finance in the cooperative organizations. Thereafter, the next one, that is the inefficient management. All the operations of cooperative organizations are managed and regulated by the members only, and these members are not the professional experts. They are just the inexperienced person, and as a result, the working or the management of the cooperative society remain inefficient. Next one, that is the lack of secrecy. All the stuff, all the important information is discussed in the meeting in front of all the members. So it become very difficult for the cooperative society to keep its affairs secretive, or to keep its next move to be secret. And the next demerit is the excessive government control. So if we talk about the merit, in the merit we have seen one point, that is the support from the government. So when government used to give this much of support, that government is giving you concession in the tax rate, government is providing subsidies to you, so in return there is the excessive regulation of the government, and also it is essential for a cooperative organization to get its accounts audited by the auditors of the cooperative department. So it is very compulsory for the cooperative organization that its documentation work should be audited and is to be submitted with the registrar. Next and the last demerit, that is the difference in opinion, or it can be stated as a conflict among the members. We all know that anyone can become the member of the cooperative organizations. So the people from the different backgrounds, people from the different section of the society, they may have the difference in the opinion, and if any of the member or some of the member used to adopt the rigid attitude, it will bring the conflicts and disputes, and conflicts and disputes in return will adversely affect the functioning of the cooperative organization. This is all about today we have discussed about the merits such as equality in voting right, limited liability, stable existence, economical functioning, support from government, and demerits such as limited capital, inefficient management, lack of secrecy, excessive government control, and the last, difference of opinion. This is all about today. God bless you all. Lots of love.